When love enters into your life, you don't want to let it go. Love is like the universe. It's everywhere. Hey, I'm Raphael Lewis, and I'm here to talk about my newfound love. So I met her back in band, back in high school. I walked in, she was sitting there, I sat next to her, and we started playing together. I couldn't look away, I couldn't get away from her however hard I tried. We just had to share this moment, and the music of our love just kind of spiraled from there. A lot of people like going to clubs to dance, going out to dinner to eat some good food. We like going to jazz clubs and drinking a lot because once we kind of surround ourselves in the environment of a jazz club, she just comes to life, you know. And there's nothing I can do about it. I've tried to fight it before, you know. Hey, can we go to the beach? Can we see a movie tonight? We just end up at a speakeasy, you know, and there's no fighting it. You really want me to go there to talk about the intimate physical parts? Okay, if you want me to. I'm not gonna lie, there are some times when she's just so horny. I'm at work and she messages me the dirtiest things. Is this inappropriate? I'm sorry if it is. But I come home and she's all oiled up and she just can't stay away from my mouth. There are some nights when we go so long and so loud, we got the cops called on us twice. And I just tell them, look, I'm practicing. To be completely honest, there was a period in our relationship where we drifted apart for a little while. I went to college to learn the saxophone, and she kind of felt like she was neglected. It's funny because destiny sometimes brings people together, sometimes pulls people apart, but I feel like we were just meant to sing this song, you know, this universal song, and I can't stop playing. Well, you're one of the first to know. I am gonna propose to her, and I'm gonna do it soon. I really feel like she just brings a lot of harmony to my life, and I'm gonna blow her away, truly. She makes me feel like I am the perfect man, you know, that I can really rise to any occasion, and I don't need to be perfect. You know, I'm perfect just the way I am.
You know she's a trombone, right?
Yeah, I completely understand that she's a trombone. I completely understand that I'm a human being. But look, it's 2018. Anything is possible. And if you follow your heart, you can find somebody that will be instrumental in your life too. Good morning. What are you doing? Baby, you're home early. Oh God, no, it's not what it looks like. I promise. No, don't give me that look. Babe, please don't. Not now. Not right now!
How many rides?
Oh, this is just my second. I'll probably do another one later today.
Oh.
Yeah, you want to make a ride up there.